So one night Erin got so drunk. We weren't even finished with our first glass of wine and she ordered another bottle.
I wanted to get drunk.
It was like 4 million degrees outside and I was
4
like,
in the afternoon.
I was like, dude, it's so hot. If I drink, I'm going to be so hot, I just can't function. She's like, well, drinking cools me down. So drinking, she did. So we get back to the hotel. Well, on the way back to the hotel, she gets the hiccups, and she's like, and I told her, I said, stop it. I said, hold your breath. She's over there. And I was like, she's going to die on the way home. So then she keeps saying, let's take some pictures. And she gets the camera and she's like, wait, take it again. Wait, I look funny. One more time. Meanwhile, she's got the hiccups and she goes, it was really annoying. I kept telling her, stop. Like, you can stop the hiccups. So she goes home. She goes back to the hotel. Lays face down. It was about 7:30. Face down on the mattress. And the whole mattress is like, when she hiccups. I was thinking, jeez, you're so annoying.